A lot of students ask me, ma'am, is it still worth it to do an MBA in 2026? So here I am to answer this question, whether it is worth the time and effort that goes into MBA preparation, the cost of the MBA itself. So let us take a look and answer this question from different aspects. The first, most obvious aspect is the change to the career path. There are two things that an MBA will do to your career path. Firstly, it will allow a sector change. For example, I'll take my own example. After doing an engineering undergraduation, I was working in the IT field. I'm sure a lot of you are working in the IT field, and I hope to work in finance. Now, this kind of a sector shift is impossible without doing an MBA. An MBA can allow you to shift to sectors such as finance, consulting, strategy, marketing, which are more or less cut off for a lot of technical graduates. So if it is a sector change that you're looking for, an MBA will allow you to do that. The second impact of an MBA on your career path is the increase in your CTC. For a lot of students, after doing an MBA, they get at least threefold or fourfold change to their CTC after graduating. For a lot of students who are already having a very high pay, this amount of increase might not occur. So if you're already earning somewhere around 20 lakhs per annum, there might not be a significant jump to your CTC. But for many other students, the salary will likely jump 2 to 3 times at least. So for a lot of those students, it is completely worth it doing an MBA because the increase in salary more or less offsets the cost of the MBA over like 4-5 years period. So it is definitely worth the increase in salary and the opportunity to change sector. The second aspect is your job security. So for a lot of people, especially those in technical roles, they are currently having a lot of anxiety about the impact of AI on technical roles. I believe that any job that requires human understanding, the ability to understand what humans want and to be able to sell to those humans, to make products that appeal to people, it requires some amount of creative thinking, which is difficult to disrupt. So for a lot of MBAs, it will be difficult to disrupt what they are doing. So I believe that an MBA will be less likely to be disrupted. Anything that involves you understanding people will be difficult to disrupt. On the other hand, technical roles like coding would be easier to disrupt. So from a job security point of view also, from a long-term job security point of view also, I feel MBA makes much more sense. The third aspect, which I feel is relevant over here, is the change in abilities. A lot of people don't even consider the change in abilities because it is difficult to quantify what is the change in abilities or what is the value add an MBA degree has given you because it is very intangible in nature. But I know from my own example that your thinking skills improve, your critical thinking improves, your decision making skills improve, your communication skills definitely improve. I would not be able to speak like this after my engineering degree. I did not have the same soft skills after my engineering degree. Now imagine going through a career without good communication skills, without good critical thinking skills or decision making skills. It is going to impact your entire career path. Having these skills early on will transform your career path in the long term. So just for the abilities also, I believe an MBA is definitely worth it. So considering all the different ways an MBA affects your career progression, your work life, your job progression, I definitely believe that it is worth it to do an MBA in 2026. Mostly I believe that if you're a young person, if you're in your 20s, at this point of time, you should be greedy to learn. You should prioritize learning over everything else because this opportunity to learn will not be as easily available in your 30s or later on. So this is your chance to learn. Maximize on those opportunities. Be greedy to learn now. And then you'll be set up for life when it comes to your career. I would recommend to all the students that MBA in 2026 is definitely worth it.